Industrial buildings and electrical systems are very complex, and we need to put a lot of thoughts ahead of construction in order to have a smooth construction and a very good final product for the customer. I'm Paul with AWB Engineers. I'm Principal Engineer. I manage mechanical, electrical and plumbing design for our company. This facility is a food production facility requiring great input of electrical power and coordination with the controls. First step is where the power comes in from the power company and then is distributed and is provided to the switchgear and electrical equipment in the heart of this electrical system. This is the heart of the electrical system for this facility. From the transformers, we brought in power underground into the main switchgear, both of which serve portions of the building. For this facility, the customer did not require a tie switch between both services, but it is actually quite common to have a tie switch just in case if one service fails, then we can distribute power from the other service to the other building. Let's go to the main building and we'll take a closer look at the other distribution panels. We are in one of the electrical rooms in this facility. This room is on the first floor. We have also room on the second floor. The power from the main switchgear came underground and enters the main distribution panels for this facility. Each of the main distribution panels incorporates also a meter. The customer is very sophisticated and would like to know how much power they use and how to save the energy in the future during their process. We are in the second floor electrical room. Here you can see all of the branch circuits and conduits being routed up and into interstitial space where those are going to be routed on the cable tray. We'll walk soon and we'll show you the example of cable tray and why this is used. We're inside the interstitial space and here we can see all of the conduits with wiring in them that are coming from the electrical rooms and are routed to the cable tray. The wire located inside the conduits will come into the cable tray and then will be switched to tray cable and it will be routed throughout the facility on that cable tray. It is much easier installation, much more efficient, and allows simple changes in the future for customer, especially for industrial buildings when we know that there will be changing with processing equipment and there will be additions, renovations, and need for future bigger or more power in the facility. I would like to show you one small detail that is incredibly important for food and beverage processing facilities. We'll go downstairs to one of the processing spaces and show you that detail. That may be a small detail, but it's incredibly important inside food processing facilities. This detail shows that any conduit, any piping needs to be installed away from the wall and allows space to clean the entire conduit and everything related with that. When the installation is done, it will incorporate functionality for high pressure washdown application. And in this case, they'll be able to clean this with high pressure, hot water and stay safe and bacteria growth free. Design of industrial buildings and its electrical system requires a lot of planning ahead of construction. You want to think about many small details as installation of a simple conduit through the distribution panels, main switchgear, and coordination power incoming to facility with power company.